The saying goes that too much of a good thing is not a good thing. But that's not necessarily true when you're combining more than one technology to deliver the best results. In the world of body contouring, it's not unusual for us to do just that. Typically, you use protocols utilizing a multi-technology machine like the 6-in-1 cavitation machine or the Emsculpt NEO. But what about using two different machines and combining those technologies? You don't see that as much. Well, after years of practice in our med spas, we've developed protocols that do just that. Combine the technologies from two different machines that when we use them alone yield great results. But when used together, well, they deliver extraordinary results. And in today's episode, we're disclosing our combination method that'll take your non-surgical Brazilian butt lift results to the next level. You'll learn the two technologies to use, what each of those technologies brings to the treatment, the basics of our treatment protocol, and we'll even tell you how to implement this combination treatment in your business. So stay tuned.
You're listening to the Body Contouring Academy's Proven Profits podcast, where you'll learn simple, actionable strategies from real-world, successful body contouring professionals to help you generate more revenue, realize the profits you want, and create the life you desire. Hi, I'm Shannon.
And I'm Kay.
And we're your hosts of the Proven Profits podcast.
Hi there, healthcare professionals, business owners, body contouring technicians, and beauty professionals. Welcome, everyone. Kay here. Shannon and I both thank you for being here too. You know, when one body contouring technology delivers great results, can combining two technologies produce extraordinary results? Yes, indeed. And such is the case with non-surgical Brazilian butt lifts combining vacuum therapy and EMS muscle toning. Vacuum therapy and EMS deliver great results on their own, but when combined, they produce extraordinarily great BBL results. Well, over our 20 years of treating med spa patients, we've developed proven combination treatments, and they deliver supercharged results. In today's episode, we share one of those with you, the combination treatment that delivers extraordinary butt lift results. Today we'll explain why vacuum therapy works wonders for body shaping, how EMS muscle toning delivers lasting shapely buttocks. We reveal the details of our med spa combination butt enhancement formula, combining these two high-performing treatments. And we show you how to implement this combination treatment in your practice. So let's get started. First up, in the non-surgical Brazilian butt lift or non-surgical BBL, also known as vacuum therapy butt lift. A little history. It was the year 2020 for the U.S. that the Brazilian butt lift surgery became a big thing. I'm sure you remember the celebrities touting drastic butt alterations. But along with those extreme enhancements came way too many complications, many really serious. We don't want to go into what happened to many patients or why it happened to many patients, but that's one of the reasons modern medicine answered the call for a safe, non-invasive, and much more affordable treatment, the vacuum therapy butt lift non-surgical treatment, or the non-surgical BBL. Now, vacuum cupping and vacuum therapy, they've long been recognized as both safe and effective. Cupping goes back to ancient times, and vacuum therapy technology, or known as negative pressure, has been used for about 50 years in the medical field. But the bottom line is, the non-surgical Brazilian butt lift delivers more natural-looking enhancement, which answers the demand of today's health-conscious consumers. So, the non-surgical BBL treatment that's powered by vacuum therapy technology, it has been extremely popular and in high demand since it was introduced. And it's really no wonder. Think about the benefits that the treatment delivers. It tightens the buttocks. It firms all those buttock tissues. It lifts the buttocks, shapes the buttocks, smooths the skin on the buttocks, reduces the appearance of cellulite on the buttocks, and improves blood flow to the tissues and muscles of the gluteal region. And you can also use vacuum therapy to address buttocks-related concerns and issues such as minimizing hip dips, or even enhancing the hips and restoring or enhancing that hourglass waist to get that hourglass figure. That's why there's more than one vacuum therapy protocol to enhance buttocks or buttocks-related issues. In our med spas, we've developed protocols that apply our advanced techniques, yes, which we've also perfected, to address each of the concerns our patients have with their buttocks or the issues related to them. There's 4 of them. Number 1, the non-surgical butt lift, or BBL, which involves the application of both vacuum therapy and vacuum cupping, and what it does is enhance the buttocks. Now, if you want to actually shape the buttocks, you go for the rump plumper protocol, which also involves the application of both vacuum therapy and vacuum cupping. Now, a specific different issue is hip dip reduction. So it's going to involve both vacuum therapy and vacuum cupping because you're going to be rounding out those hips or enhancing the size and shape of the hips. And then finally, the waist shaper, which involves both vacuum therapy and vacuum cupping. And what you're doing with that protocol is slimming, molding, and contouring that waist. Now, we share all of our protocols and advanced techniques with you in the Booty and Body Sculpting Masterclass. We'll leave a link to the details of the course in today's show notes, but here's some of the things you'll learn. You'll learn the anatomy and physiology of the gluteal region. You'll learn the intricacies of vacuum therapy, including the proper use of equipment, safety protocols, and also the science. You'll learn how to master the art of vacuum cupping, and you'll get the post-treatment instructions and recommended maintenance protocol. Plus, you'll get all the forms you need to implement the treatments right away, the consent forms, detailed protocols, treatment forms, and the pre- and post-treatment instructions. And as with all of our courses for body contouring certification, it's 100% online. It's self-paced with lifetime access to the material. There's no prerequisites and no exams, and you'll get your certificate right away. Just download, print, and frame. Now, remember, patients can see butt-enhancing results after just one vacuum therapy, vacuum cupping butt lift treatment. But as with all non-invasive body contouring procedures, a series of treatments is going to be needed. Now, since vacuum butt lift results are not permanent, we recommend a maintenance treatment or 2 every 3 to 6 months, and this is all dependent on the patient, her needs, and her goals. But you can deliver super enhanced and longer lasting results by incorporating an electromagnetic muscle stimulation or EMS muscle toning treatment series with your vacuum therapy butt lift protocol. So more on that in just a bit. But first, let's look at EMS muscle toning treatments. That component, we call that EMS buttocks toning, and if you add this, it's going to supercharge your butt lift treatments. So why EMS? Why add EMS? Why that technology? Well, EMS enhances both the tone and the definition of gluteal muscles through those intense targeted muscle contractions that the machine produces with powerful electrical impulses. The contractions by the EMS technology stimulate muscle growth and strengthen the glutes, which results in a lifted and enhanced appearance. And the cool thing is, unlike vacuum therapy, the muscle toning results from EMS treatments last as long as the patient maintains an active, healthy lifestyle. And you'll be glad to hear that studies have shown that patients love their EMS results, especially those who've experienced gluteal muscle loss due to aging or weight loss or just living that modern day sedentary lifestyle, which is the majority of our patients, right? So you can learn more about incorporating EMS treatments into your butt lift protocol to create a super butt enhancement formula by taking a look at our electromagnetic muscle stimulation certification course for body contouring. In this course, you'll learn the science behind EMS, the body conditions, and the treatment areas for EMS. You'll see video of EMS treatment techniques. You'll get the treatment schedules and the recommended treatment pricing. Plus, as with all of our courses, you'll get detailed treatment protocols, pre- and post-treatment instructions, and a consent form. We'll leave a link to that EMS course in today's show notes, so if you're interested, you can get all the details. So we've discussed vacuum therapy and vacuum cupping and EMS muscle toning as they pertain to the non-surgical Brazilian butt lift. Now let's talk about what you've been waiting to hear, combining vacuum therapy and EMS to get those extraordinarily great butt lift results. So for this combination treatment, first remember that vacuum therapy butt lift delivers great butt enhancing results primarily by stimulating blood and lymphatic flow, by nourishing the gluteal muscles and surrounding gluteal region, and producing a localized increase in tissue size and appearance. Now, most patients are going to see results after just one treatment, and then each treatment is going to build on previous treatments. But the results are not forever lasting. Patients will need maintenance treatments. And EMS buttock treatment enhancing treatments deliver buttock enhancing results by toning and strengthening the gluteal muscles. Patients are going to feel like they've had a really good workout after the treatment, but they may not see results from those treatments until 3 weeks after each treatment. Now, even though results take longer to see with EMS, the muscle tone, the strength, and the shape improvements from those EMS treatments should last as long as the patient maintains a healthy lifestyle. So by using our combination method, adding EMS treatments to vacuum therapy butt lift treatments, you're going to enhance that muscle toning and shaping. The combination is going to produce instant results, which is the vacuum therapy portion, along with long-lasting results, the EMS portion. So together, you're going to get extraordinary results. Sounds great, right? Well, here's how you do it. This is how you're going to implement the combination butt lift treatments in your business. The basic steps. Reserve an hour and a half for the combination butt enhancement treatment formula. You're still going to need to complete each treatment, the vacuum and the EMS, per protocol. Can't shorten them. Perform the EMS treatment protocol first. Then immediately follow the EMS treatment with the vacuum therapy and vacuum cupping treatment protocol that applies to the particular patient's needs. Remember, there's 4 of them. Start with a series of 6 weekly combination treatments. Then reassess. You may need more, you may not. You'll find that by adding EMS to the vacuum series, your patients will probably be able to go a little longer between their maintenance treatments, and they'll like that. Now, you can find all 4 of the protocols for vacuum booty and the EMS protocol for glutes in each of the courses. You can offer these supercharged treatments a couple of ways. You can either use a treatment bundle, which is bundling the 2 treatments together, or you can use a branded combination treatment, a separate treatment that you name. So at our med spa, we offer 3 butt lift treatment options. 1, the vacuum therapy butt lift, BBL, using vacuum therapy and vacuum cupping alone, which produces great results. 2, EMS glutes, using EMS alone, which also delivers great results. But we also offer a combination butt lift, applying our supercharged method of combining vacuum and EMS at a premium price. Because remember, the butt enhancement formula treatment, the combination, it's going to require 1.5 hours, and you're using 2 technologies, so you're going to need to price it accordingly. So you can choose whatever option or options fits your business best. Lastly, you can simply bundle the 2 treatments, as we discussed, or you can brand the name of your treatment. So for a branded name, give your supercharged butt lift treatment a catchy name that suits your brand. For example, our med spa is called Sculpt Away. We call our vacuum butt lift Butt Sculpt, and our EMS glutes treatment Myosculpt. You get the picture. So in conclusion, butt enhancement treatments, they're in super high demand still since the day they were introduced. And today we showed you how to take advantage of that popularity and become the go-to provider for booty enhancing and answer that demand. So by obtaining the knowledge and the skills of vacuum therapy and of EMS, you can use our supercharged combo butt sculpt protocol that combines the 2 technologies to deliver extraordinary results. We've talked about the online body contouring certification course that will mold you into an expert booty sculptor using our advanced techniques. And we left the link to the course details in the show note. We presented the online body contouring certification course that you should use to master the knowledge and develop the skills you need in EMS body contouring. We've shown you how to combine the 2 technologies, and now it's time to give your patients the enhanced booties and hourglass figures they desire. That's it for today. Until next time, beautiful wishes.
If you enjoyed our podcast, we'd really appreciate it if you take a few minutes to leave us a review. And if you'd like to learn more about our courses and resources, you can get all the scoop by visiting our website, bodycontouringacademy.com. That's bodycontouringacademy.com. Thank you so much for listening. As always, have a great rest of your day, and until next time, beautiful wishes.